Hi guys, in this video I'm going to talk about how to use the shimmer effect. So first of all, let's understand that what is the shimmer effect. You as a developer, you might have come across such situations where you want a text which changes its colors continuously. So in such situations we will use the shimmer text. So in order to use that, you first of all need to install the shimmer package, and for installing that you have to you just need to go to Google and type shimmer effect Flutter, and in that click on the first link and then go to the installing section and copy this. And after you have copied, you can go to the pubspec.yaml file and paste it below the dependencies, and now save this. It will take a few seconds to install, after which you can import it here in the main.dart file. So in that you can use shimmer. Okay, let me type it again. Okay. So once you have imported it, we are now ready to use it. So what you can see here is the basic main.dart file which you get once you open a Flutter project. And I have deleted all the codes in my home page so that we can define it in our own way. So first of all, what I'll do is, okay, let me just save my file and you'll see it. Okay, the basic thing which we have from our code is like this, that it's returning simply a container. And what I want in this is, I want a wallpaper, and here I want to display the time and the date, and here I will write swipe to unlock. So this is what I'm planning to do in this app. So for that, first of all, we need to display an image in this entire container. So for that, I'll use child as the card widget, and in that I'll use child as image.network, and for source I'm going to use this and paste it here. So you can use anything you want. And so now let's just format this. Okay, and since you want the image to fit the whole page, I'll use fit and give it as boxfit.cover. So this will pretty much do the trick. And now let's see the output. Now you can see that we have a screen with an image all over it. So the thing is, now we need to write text over an image. So for that we can use Stack. So Stack is a widget by which you can pile upon one widget over the other. So now let's begin, and what we need to do is we need to use the stack on the image network. So we are just going to wrap it there. And then let us wrap it within a stack. And here you can write children. And now paste it after image dot. Okay. Now after the image, you want to show the text. So for that, I'll go here and use an expanded widget. Yes, and in that I'll have my child as list view because I'm going to show a number of text widgets. So I'll use list view. You can also use column too, so that's not an issue. And in the list view, I'll use children. Okay, there is, okay, I haven't given it. This is capital V, and now you can use the children with the widgets you wanted. So first of all, what I'll do is I want to display the text, like the particular timing and date here. So for that I'll use the padding and then the text. So let's do it. So for that I'll use the padding widget, and in that first of all I'll give the padding, and for that I'll use edge insets dot only, and from top I'll give it as 200, and from left I'll give it as 150 maybe, and you can change the values if you find it difficult. And for the child I'll use text, and then I'll write, it is 226 right now, so 226 I'll just write that. And okay, you need to place a comma here, and after 226 let us see how this looks. Okay, what you see here is that we have the 226 written in this way, so we really need to increase the size of it. So what we'll do is we'll go to the style and then use text style, and in that I'll write font size as 40, and now we should see the output. Okay, now it looks better. We'll see this problem later, that why it appears as white in the corner. Now we can see this. Okay, so now we have 226 here, and let's continue. So first we'll change this and we'll make the image cover the entire screen. So for that here we'll change the width, and for that I'll take the width of my device, which can be obtained by using media query.of context, and then dot size, and then dot width. Now save it and see, you'll find that you have the entire image. Now what I want to do is I want to display that today is Friday and today's date is 10/16/2020. So sorry, 16/10/2020. So I want to display it here, but in order to display I have to give some padding. So that's what I'll do here, and after using this padding here I'll go to the next padding section, and in that I'll use padding as edge insets dot only, and in that from top I'll use it as 10, and from left I'll use it as 110 to see what it looks like, and here we need to give a comma. And after that we need to show in child what text we want to display. So here it will be it is 16 October. Okay, and today is Friday, so I'll write Friday. And once again I will change the font size so that it should look better, and for this I'll use text style, and in that I'll give the font size as 20 so that it should be smaller than the font size of that. And now let's save it. Okay, now you see here that excuse me, that you have the timing, and below that you have the day and also the date. Now here what I want to show is, this is the main thing of this tutorial. Here I'll be showing the shimmer effect, and for that we'll use a padding and then the text. So once again go to the padding section, and here I'll give a padding of about like 300. Edge insets dot only, from top I'll use 300, and from left I'll use maybe 80. And then when we go to the child, okay, here's the part where we use the shimmer effect, and for that I'll use shimmer dot from colors, and in that the child which I have to use is the text, and in that I'll write swipe to unlock. And then the base color which I'll give here is, okay, let me do it this way, colors dot gray, and here I'll use colors dot white. Now let's save it and see. Okay, this what you can see here, but this text is too small, so now we need to increase the size. So once again we'll use the style, and in that text style, and I'm gonna give my font size as 30, and font weight I'll make it to bold, and for that you can use font weight dot bold. Now format this, save it, and now let's look at it. So now here you can see that we have a cool effect, and this effect is called as shimmer. So that's an extra E here. And if you want to change the colors, you can do it too. For example, here you want to change it from purple to white. So for that I'll use purple. And so now here you can see. So this is the basic UI which we have built to show the shimmer effect. So thanks for watching my video, and please do like, share and subscribe. Thank you.